guys, welcome to Practice Academy. Today we will cover the difference between listen and hear. So some of you must be wondering if there is really any difference between them. So yes, there is, and there's a huge difference. So let's get to it. Listen versus hear. That's what we are supposed to do today. So here, listen and hear are actually verbs. Verbs are action words. Listen is an action word, but here is exact. It's not exactly an action word. So that's where the difference starts. So I have made a table for you to understand it better. So we have points of distinction, then you have hear, then you have listen. So points of distinction, let's start with the meaning. So meaning means when are you supposed to use the word hear and when are you supposed to use the word listen. So meaning, so when you receive sounds into your ears, so you receive sounds into your ears. So as we have eardrums, so we can hear everything whatever is around us. So right now, while watching this YouTube video, you can still hear the maybe the birds chirping. If somebody is in the kitchen, you can hear the utensils, or maybe somebody is talking on the phone, so you can hear all that, but you are not interested in that. You are not putting any effort to hear that. You are putting your efforts to listen to this video. So watch this video rather. So when you are not putting an effort, not putting effort to hear something, then we can say that, then we can use the word hear. What about listen? When you try to hear something, to understand it, we consciously pay attention. It is an action or activity. So when you try to hear something, to understand it, so you want to understand it, so you are putting efforts to hear it. So when it's because you want to understand it. So when you do that, when you pay attention, so that is actually the word listen. So you are supposed to use the word listen. So here you pay attention, okay. So right now I hope that you are paying attention to what I'm saying. So it's just like that, here you are listening to what I am saying, because that is important for you right now. So what happens when you hear something? What happens when you listen to something? The person will not respond. The birds are chirping, you will not respond, because you are busy in the YouTube video, and that's not your goal. Your goal is to understand this video, right? So the about listen, the person will think about what he heard, what it means, and will respond to if he needs to. If somebody is paying attention, so he will think what he heard, if he could understand that part or not. So if he understood that, so what it means, so if it is related to him or not, so or will it be helpful for him, so and will respond to. So if somebody is asking question or something, so he will respond to that too. So that's where you need to use the word listen. So let's get to rule. So rule is quite important. We don't need to add to is a preposition, right? So it's a preposition, so we are not supposed to add to with the word here, but with listen we will add to if there is an object. So listen plus to plus object. Continuous, can't use in continuous tenses. What do you mean by can't use in continuous tenses? What are continuous tenses? Continuous tenses are like present continuous, past continuous, present perfect continuous, and wherever you find the word continuous, so there you cannot use. So you cannot say I am hearing it, so I am not hearing it. You cannot say that. You cannot use ing there, but you can say that here. So can use in continuous tenses. So let's get to the example. I can hear them talking. It is so annoying. maybe while watching this video, somebody, so there are few people outside who are talking, and you can hear them. So when you can hear them, so and you say it is so annoying, that is not your purpose, so that is not what which you want to listen to, right? So if you hear those, maybe their words, so you will use the word here. If you hear something which is not voluntarily, which you do not want to pay attention to, so you will say here. Okay, so that's why you say. You can also say I can hear the noise. Okay, so I am listening to music, so listen, so we have made it in continuous. So listening, ing, we have added ing, and to here object is music. Okay, okay, so that was the difference, and really very important difference, you must know. And I think the first one was quite enough for you, for sure. What about the situation? So this will make things even more brighter for you. So imagine a classroom full of students, all of them are talking. There is one student, which is you, who is just doing homework. So your goal is to finish your homework right there in the class. You ignore all the conversations going on around you. You are not interested at all. So here you can hear the conversation, but you are not listening to it. So it's coming into your eardrums. Of course, sound waves are coming, they can come from anywhere, every time, they come every time. So you cannot do anything about it until you put earplugs in your ears, right? So you can hear the conversation, but you are not listening to it, so you are not paying any attention to that. Then you will use the word. I could hear people talking, I could hear the students talking, but still I managed to finish my homework. I still managed to finish my homework. All right, you can make that sentence. And now let's come to the exception. Exception, what do we mean by exception? Exception means the rules which we have applied here, which I have taught you today. That is okay. Everything will be applied right there. But so there are a few things where you cannot apply this rule. So let's get to them. Here, the word here may be used even when we listen to somebody or something attentively or officially, generally in the past, but there is no emphasis on the action of listening. It is because what we heard or the contents of what we heard is important, but not the action of listening. Sometimes we can use the word listen. We can use the word hear instead of listen, because the content is more important. So the content is more important than the action of hearing, okay, and the action of listening rather. So you can use the word here. So example sentences. Did you hear the interesting speech delivered by the Prime Minister last night? So here's this is quite important. Interesting speech. Interesting speech could be beneficial for the country, maybe, or maybe some information which Prime Minister is going to pass or passed actually. I mean, he passed some information earlier. So, so did you hear the interesting speech delivered by the Prime Minister last night? So you will use the word here because the content is more important. I heard Michael Jackson live in India when he was alive. So there was a concert there when Michael Jackson visited India, and so the content, the music was more important, right? So music, when music is more important, so you will use the word again here. So here the three forms of verbs are there. So second form of the verb is heard, heard. Okay, so now we have more examples of here. So we are done with the exceptions, we are done with everything, the basic rules and everything along with the exceptions. So let's get to more examples of here. Okay, so have you heard the news? She has become an actor now. Have you heard the news? You never expect the news actually. So you just hear them from somewhere. So you will use the word hear here. Turn on the TV, or I should say actually radio, radio. Turn on the radio. I would like to listen to the news. So that is actually your purpose this time. You really want to listen to that, listen to the radio, listen to the news. So that's why you are using the word listen here, because that is your purpose, that is your goal, and you want to pay attention to the news only. Sorry about that. So I could hear a pin dropping on the floor. It is so quiet here. So he could hear a pin dropping because it was so quiet. So he could hear a pin dropping on the floor. So that was not his purpose. To he did not pay attention to it. He was working and he could hear it when the pin dropped. So that's why you are using the word hear. The last is that I didn't hear him knocking the door. I must have fallen asleep. So he was asleep and somebody knocked on the door. When somebody did it, he could not hear it because he was sleeping. And so here you are not paying any attention. That's why you will use the word hear. Okay. Okay. So more example sentences of listen. Now, make sure you listen carefully. So you must be, first of all, you must be thinking what I said was that you are supposed to use to after listen. That's right. But you have to use to after listen if there is an object. But there is not an object. This is just an adverb. Okay. So object should be there. So we are talking carefully. We are saying that the somebody is listening carefully, right? So listen carefully. So this is not an object actually. So make sure you listen carefully. If you add here, make sure you listen to your teacher, to your teacher carefully, then it is fine. Okay, because we are referring to somebody, that yes, listen to who? Listen to whom? So listen to your teacher. Now this one, listen, listen, then we have exclamatory sign. Listen, somebody is trying to break in. So you are paying attention to what if when somebody is breaking in, means somebody is coming in without your permission. So maybe a thief is there. So you can hear some maybe somebody stepping in. So listen, somebody is trying to break in. So you are paying attention to what is happening there. Why do you not listen to me? It's so simple. So you have to listen to somebody. It means you have to pay attention definitely. All right. So why do you not listen to me? You cannot say why do you not hear me? Okay. So my father used to listen to old song. So my father used to listen to old songs. So again, he used to means past habit, used to suggests past habit. Listen to old songs. So his father or my father used to listen to old songs. So when you when it's music or songs, you always pay attention. So that's why it is the word is listen, which you are supposed to use here. Okay, so I think it's clear to you now the difference between listen and hear, and do not mix them up, and that is important actually. um, the difference is quite evident there, as I have told you already. Okay, then do remember to subscribe the channel, like and share the video definitely. Okay, then bye bye, take care.